Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 8 comparing quantities. How to compare the quantities using ratio. Ratio means ratio using and comparing the quantities. Comparing quantities means how many times a quantity of a one quantity of the other quantities. How many times the one quantity is of the other quantity. We call it as a comparing quantities. How to compare the quantities? By ratio. Ratio means how to find ratio means ratio we can represent as a by b. Ratio we can represent as in form of a fractional form a by b, where b is not equal to 0. Denominator never become 0, and we can write as in which symbol a is to b. Ratio symbol is division means in this way, multiplication symbol, addition symbol like this, symbols we know. Ratio symbol is like this, a is to b. Ratio it can refer, but then numerator part we call it as antecedent, and the denominator part we call it as a consequent. Here numerator part we call it as antecedent, and the denominator part we call it as a consequent. Remember, so a is to be, two parts are there. A is to be, a represent as numerator part, b represent as a denominator part for the ratio case. Then here we want to convert first part. There are 6 type are there. How to convert fraction to a fraction into percentage. How to convert a fraction into a percentage? That means one in question a fraction is given there. How to convert to percentage means what we want to do, multiply the given fraction with 100 percentage into 100 percentage. Then cancellation possible and a cancel. So what we want to do, when a fraction number, how to convert to percentage, multiplied with 100 percentage. A table directly we can't do. Then which table? 4 table. 4 twos are 8. 4 into 25 become how much? 100. Then again 2 and 25 cancellation not possible, so we can write it as 25 by 2 percentage. Fractional form right or a decimal form wise right. Anyway we can write as in the, so decimal point wise right means how to write 25 is divided with 2. So 2 table 2 one time. Then next place 5, 2 table 5, 2 times 4, subtract decimal point keep 10, 2 table 10, 5 times. So how much percentage will get in there? 12.5. So remember, when a fraction number, how to convert a percentage? Multiply with 100 percentage. Second rule says that convert percentage to fraction. Percentage to fraction. How to convert a percentage to fraction into fraction? Example, these are examples. So example 15 percentage, we want to convert this percentage to a fraction. Then what we want to do means the given number is divided with 100 and remove the percentage symbol. Remember, when a percentage given time, question asked to convert the fraction, asking what we want to do, the given number is divided with 100 and remove the percent. So how we can represent 15 is divided with 100 and remove the percentage symbol. So 15 by 100 is then simplest form possible means simplest form also we can Cancel and write down. Simplest form, which table we use to cancel? 5 table. 5 3s are 15. 5 into 20 become a how much? 100. So we can write it as a 3 by 20 is the fractional form of a 15%. This is the second rule says the how to convert percentage into a fraction. Divided with 100 and remove the percentage symbol. Next, third one. Third rule says that ratio is given how to convert it to percentage. Third rule is convert ratio to the ratio into percentage. How to convert a ratio into percentage? Example, 4:5 ratio case. How to convert into percentage? How to convert means first of all we ratio part write as in the fractional form. Then that fraction is multiplied with 100%. How to write a ratio as a fractional form? First part divided by a second part. Second number is 5 and multiply with 100%. Now we make it as a fractional form. That fractional form is multiplied with 100%. We can convert that ratio into a percent. Cancellation possible. Cancel as 5 table 1, 5 table 20 times 2 into 20 into 4 become how much? 80%. In this way we can calculate. See, here third rule says that when the question is in the ratio, at that time how to convert that ratio into a percent? How to convert it? First of all, we write that ratio as in fractional form. Then that fractional number multiplied with 100%. Cancellation possible. Cancelled and after numerator into numerator and as denominator cancel means fully cancel. Writing here denominator become 1. That's why numerator part multiplying how much? Only 80 and a percentage symbol, right? This is the third rule. Fourth rule says that when the percentage is given, then how to convert into ratio. That is our fourth rule. Convert percentage into ratio. How to convert a percentage as a ratio? That is our fourth rule. Example, here percentage 50% is given there. How to convert into ratio? First of all, early we learned our second rule, how to remove the ratios, how to remove the percentage symbol, divided with 100 and remove the percentage symbol. First we write as in the fractional form. So 50% we can write it as 50 by remove the percentage symbol. How to remove? Divided by 100 and remove the percentage symbol. Then simplest form. How cancellation possible? Cancelled after that simplest form write as in the ratio form. 0 0 cancellation possible. 5 table 5 1 time, 5 table 10 2 time. Then this number write as in ratio. Numerator write as in the antecedent place, denominator number write as in the consequent place. So we get a ratio as a 1:2. This is the procedure. When a percentage number is given, how to convert to ratio? First of all, we write as in fractional form. How to write percentage as a fractional form? Divided with 100 and remove the percentage symbol. Cancellation possible. Cancel or simplest form, right? And they make it as a simplest form expression and write as in the ratio form. Then fifth rule says that here in fifth rule they says that to convert decimal into percentage. Convert percentage into decimal. Percentage into decimal. How to convert a percentage into decimal form? Example. Here example is 15%. Here percentage is given there. We want to convert as a decimal form. How to write? First of all, we write as in fractional form. In which form? How to write a fractional form? Divided with 100. So 15 is divided with 100 and remove the percentage symbol. Then Decimal form. 15 by 100 means any, we learned that 7th class onwards, second chapter we learned 7th class. How to write in a decimal form. When a number divided with 100 from right to left, two places take and put a decimal point from right to left. So we get a 0.15 in this way. Decimal point representation convert. Here question is in percentage. How to convert the decimal form? First of all, we write as in the fractional form. Here not cancellation. Here we dividing doing divided with 100. How to divide? When a number divided with 100 means from right to left, two places take and put a decimal point. Put decimal point and writing. Okay, first fractional form, then convert it to a decimal form. Division do and a decimal form write down. Then sixth one is decimal is given. How to convert it to the percentage? That is our sixth form. Sixth form convert decimal into percentage. How to convert a decimal into percentage? Example is given as 0.235, like this way. Example, I given the decimal number. How to convert as a percentage? First of all, what we want to do is this. First we multiply with 100. Multiply with 100 means how many place we want to take, or decimal point move to the right side two places. From decimal point move to right side, how many places is two places take and put a decimal point. So we get 2 place means 1 and 2, 23.5. That percentage symbol keep. That is the procedure. What is the procedure for decimal number conversion into a percentage? Here decimal number where it is, from that place to move how many places right side? 2 places move right side and put a decimal point and keep percentage symbol. That is the procedure for convert a decimal into percentage. I hope these are the 6 rules. I hope you can understand these 6 rules. Now we go through exercise 8.1. In 8.1 exercise, problems are like that. First Roman they say is about find the ratio. First Roman exercise 8.1. First Roman says find ratio. Ratio they give asking their find ratio. First question speed of a cycle is given. Speed of a cycle is given as here given as 15 kilometer per hour. To the scooter speed also they given. Scooter speed is given as 30 kilometer per hour. In this way the cycle speed and scooter speed is given. Cycle speed is 15 kilometer per hour and a scooter speed is given as 30 kilometer per hour. What they ask you to find? Find the ratio. So how we can write ratio of speed of cycle to speed of cycle to speed of scooter. Ratio we want to find. Here first speed of cycle is how much? Ratio means first of all we write as in fractional form. So cycle speed is 15 kilometer per hour. Then by fractional form scooter speed is how much? 30 kilometer per hour. Both have same unit. We can remove that same unit. Then cancellation possible, cancelled after ratio wise. We learned that ratio, how to convert a ratios case. Then which table? 15 table directly we can use, or 3 table you can use, or 5 table you can use. Any this table are possible to cancel. 15 table, 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. So how much is the answer? 1 by 2 is the answer. Then how to write as in ratio form? Antecedent is to 2 consecutive. Here numerator part represent as 1 and the denominator part represent as 2. 1:2 is the ratio form. Ratio speed of cycle to speed of scooter. How we can write? First of all, we write as in the fractional form, cancelled as, and finally we write as in the ratio form. Then another question, here find out 5 meter to 10 kilometer. Find the ratio of 5 meter to 10 kilometer case. Find a 5 meter to 10 kilometer case. How to find out the ratio? How to write a ratio of 5 kilometer to 10 kilometer. How we can write a ratio finding case? First we write as in the fractional form. So we can write here first 5 kilometer mentioned. That's why first part write on the numerator and second part write on the denominator. Remember that. Here see, here 5 is in meter and 10 is in the kilometer. That is one problem there. 5 meter only, not 5 kilometer. 5 meter. 5 is in meter, 10 is in the kilo. Different unit. Different unit case, what we want to do? Make it as a same unit. How to make it as a same unit? Here kilometer is converted to meter. That is easy. Meter is converted to kilometer means a division rule. Best multiplication. Highest unit to lowest unit. How we will conversion doing a multiplication doing. The lowest to highest unit conversion. How we are doing a division. Here meter or kilometer is highest unit kilometer. That's why kilometer conversion is easy to lowest unit to meter. How to convert both of them relation is, we know that 1 kilometer means how much meter? 1000 meter. That's why 10 kilometer is multiplied with 1000. 2 kilometer means 2 into 1000 become 2000. 3 kilometer means how much meter? 3 into 1000 become 3000 meter, like that. So 10 kilometer means 3 into 1000 meter. That means here 10 into 1000 means 10,000 meter. So we can write a conversion to numerator part, how no change. Denominator part 10 kilometer we convert it to meter. How to convert? Multiply with 1000 meter. Then see both of them. Now we have same units. We can remove that units and here cancellation possible. Cancel 5 table 5 one time, 5 table 10 2 time. So numerator part 1 only remaining. Denominator part 2 into 1000 because how much? 2000. Then how to write as in the ratio form? Numerator is to denominator. Denominator is 2000. So 1:2000 is the ratio between 5 meter to 10 kilometer. I hope you can understand how to find out the ratio case. Then next second Roman. In second Roman, ratio is given there. Convert into percentage. That is the next question. Ratio, there are ratio form they given. Convert into percentage. Second Roman. Second Roman. Convert ratio. Convert ratio to percentage. Percentage. First question. 3:4. We learned rule case 6 rules are the, first of all what we want to do? Write as in fractional form. Ratio given type. Remember first we write as in the fractional form. That is 3/4. 3:4 means how to write as in the ratio form? First part by a second part and multiplied with 100%. Don't forget to keep a percentage. 4 table cancellation both. Yes, crosswise cancel. 4 table for one time. 4 table 25. 25 fours are 100. Then multiply and then 25 into 3 because how much? 75% is the answer. Question asking a ratio is given, the convert it to percent. That's why percentage symbol. Don't forget to keep, otherwise to become a wrong answer only. Then next another question. 2:3. How to find out ratio? First of all what we want to do? Write as in the fraction form. So 2/3 and can multiply with which number? 100%. First we check 3 and 100. No. 2 and 3. Straightwise cancellation not possible. Crosswise cancellation not possible. Then numerator into numerator. That is 2 into 100 become 200 by 3%. Mixed fractional form right or a decimal. Mixed fractional form how we can write it? 200 is divided with 3. 3 table 20 not there. Nearest answer 6 times 18. Subtraction do in time 2. Again denominator 0. 20 means again here 6 times. So 20 means 6 times 18. Again subtraction do in time 2 was the. So how we can write 66 and mixed fraction wise how to write quotient into plus a remainder by divisor. Remainder is how much? 2. Divisor is how much? 3. And a percentage symbol keeping there. So 66 and 2 by 3 percentage is the percentage of 2 is to 3. I hope you can understand this method. Convert a ratio to the percent. Next are word problems. In word problems, first what they says about first word problem is here third row or third bit is they given as a 72% of 25 students in a class. So 25 students are there. In that 25 students, 72% of the students are good in maths. Are good in maths. And question asking how many of them how many students are not good in maths. That is the question. How many students are not good in, not percentage wise, number of students asking. Now how many students are not good in maths? So first of all how we can start to this one? Total strength we want to write. So we can write total. First step we started with the total number of students. How many students in this in that classroom? 25 students are there. Then percentage is given. The percentage of students are good in maths. Students are second step are good in maths. Good in maths, right? How many percentage they given? 72%. Then no, that is a question. First we want to find how many students and percentage of students not good in maths. Percentage for next we want to find percentage of students are not good in maths. Are not good in maths case we want to how to find out to means always percentage calculated with respect to 100. So always 100 we are 100% is subtract how many are good, how many here percentage of students are good in maths is how much? 72. So 100% is subtracted with the 72%. So how much will come in there? 28% students are not good in maths. Percentage wise we got what they asking a number of students ask is therefore number of students good in maths we want to find. Students are not good in maths we want to find. Good in maths is equal to 28% of total students. Find out total student. How many students are in that class? 25 students. Total number of students are 25. Therefore 28 here percentage symbol how to remove. Early we learned how to remove the percentage symbol. Divided with 100 and remove the percent. So we can divided with 100 and again need not want to keep a percentage symbol. Of represent as which operation? Into operation. Total strength of the student is how much in that class? 25. Cancellation possible. 25 table directly. Here cancelling time 25 into 1 25. 25 4s are 100. Then 4 and 20 straight wise cancellation possible. 4 table 4 1 time 4 into 7 become 27. 28 become 4 into 7, 28, here how much, 4 into 7 become 20. So how many students are not good in maths? Here 7 students are not good in maths. Remaining how many students are 18 students are good in maths. That is the out of 25. The last strength is 25. Out of 25, 7 students are not good in maths. Remaining 18 students are good in maths. That is the meaning of this question. They are asking not good in students number asking. That's why how many students are not good? 7 students are not good in maths. The next question. So I hope you can understand this model question. The next one is football team. Here the matches, cricket match case. In cricket match, here one team plays some matches and they won the match. They given like this. Fourth question, a football team won how many? 10 matches. They won 10 matches out of the total number of matches. Here total number of matches they not given, but out of total matches 10 matches they become won there. They played. So we don't know. We want to find that. If their win percentage is given as a percentage is 40, then what we want to find how many matches did they play in all? That is the question. Play in all. So question C, a football team won how many matches? 10 matches. They play some games they played in that game. 10 games matches they become won. Question asking how many. Then percentage of the winning percentage also given there. How much percentage they win there? 40% they won there. Question asking then find out how many matches they were playing. That is the meaning of that question. So what we want, we don't know total number of matches, how many they are played. So first step, how we can start total number of matches they played is equal to, we don't know, we consider an alphabet as x. Our aim is to find x value. Then a number of matches they won, they given matches won is equal to 10. Winning percentage of also they given. Percentage of won is equal to 40%. They given like that. So how to find out total number? Winning percentage is given there. How to win? 40% are winning there. 40% of total match is given there. That is equal to 10 in this way. 40% of total match they win. That means how many play they were winning? 10 matches they were winning there. So 40% of total matches is equal to 10. 10 they given, the total winning matches number is given. 40% symbol how to remove? Divided with 100 and remove the percentage symbol. So 40 by 100 remove the percentage symbol of, meaning which operation? A multiplication of operation. Total matches we consider it as how much? X. That is equal to right side which number? Winning matches number is how much? 10. Cancellation possible, cancel 0 0 numerator denominator 1 0 cancellation possible. Then for 4 table not possible, but 2 table possible. 2 into 2 become 4. 2 pies are at 10. 2 by 5 we get 2 by 5 x is equal to 10. Same way numerator of the left side and 10 also in numerator. Denominator of 10 become 1 only. So they are numerator part. We can cancel 2 table right or left, cancellation possible. 2 table to 1 10, 2 table 10 5 time cancellation. So we get in which way? 1 by 5 x is equal to 5. Then denominator 5 cos multiplied to the opposite side. 5 goes to opposite side, comes to where here multiply, cos multiply. So x value become how much? 5 into 5. 5 5s are how much? 25 is there. That means how many matches they played? They played 25 matches. Out of 25, 10 matches only they win. That's why they're saying 40% of matches they are won. That is the meaning of the question. I hope you can understand this topic. Remaining part we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.